In this video, I'm going to be talking about why just relying on email marketing alone is not an effective strategy at all. Okay, so what I'm going to be sharing with you guys, how many times have you heard this from so-called gurus telling you this, right? Build a landing page, get them towards a thank you page, right? Get them towards a thank you page and lead in towards making you money. Or even this, right? Maybe you heard like, yeah, email marketing and all that aspects, right? You guys get the point, right? So these are just emails and do email follow-ups, right? It's never gonna work like that, guys, okay? Because think about like this, like that's the old traditional way of doing things. When it comes towards now, you want to leverage like other platforms, guys. Like you guys can put like your social media links in here if you guys want to, right? Let's say, for example, social media and all that aspect. That's still not going to work, guys. I can't stress this enough why it's not going to work. Okay? Because you have to understand marketing, guys. And the thank you page, we can put what's called a pixel, right? We put a pixel, we create a custom audience, okay? And now we do what's called marketing over here. Because at the end of the day, guys, this is vital. This is so important, okay? Email marketing, not everyone's gonna open your emails or even click on your links if they don't even know who you are as a person yet, right? Once we establish this is super important, okay? Because by the time when people opt in, they're going to be what's triggered on towards another list. People call it the invisible list, right? Such as custom audiences, right? And the cool part about marketing is that you can actually run ads, right? To brand yourself as a content creator, guys, right? A content creator. Because at the end of the day, you always want to lead with value, right? How many times have you heard like, oh yeah, promote done for you services or, put like affiliate links in towards your emails. It's never going to work like that, guys. This is how you want to do it, okay? When people opt in towards your landing page, right? You got them as a list as, when it comes towards emails, right? But the key here is to build an invisible list when it comes towards creating custom audiences, guys. This is where it's at. And when you understand marketing, right? Ads, right? Especially ads, right? Putting your content right here, giving people a call to action towards an affiliate offer, right? When it comes towards your content creation, once people get to know, like, and trust you guys, right? The more content you put out there, the more people are going to start to know who you are as a person. Okay, so let's say you create like 3 different contents, right? And you lead them in towards a call to action. At least they start to know who you are as a person. Once people start to know who you are as a person, the call to action, once they click, they're going to know who you are. And what happened is that people are going to start opening on your emails, okay? Because they start to know, like, and trust you guys now, okay? A lot of people, especially beginners or people who's been in this space for quite some time, I've noticed that they're just getting landing pages going directly towards the thank you page, and it leads them in towards just emails. That's the old traditional way of doing it. Don't get me wrong. Email marketing is still powerful as long as you're putting and branding you out there in the marketplace by being visible. That's why putting your ads out there are so key. Okay? You have to put, you want to mix it up a bit. You know, you can put like pictures and provide value. You can give written content, right? And then once people establish like, hey, they really enjoy what you're doing, they're going to know who you are. They're going to start opening your emails more. They're going to click on your links more. That's how you literally do email marketing effectively when it comes towards this strategy, guys. What I'm sharing to you guys right now is going to really, really help you guys, okay? You have to create your own content, guys, especially when it comes towards video. Video is the now, guys, okay? Video is literally the now, okay? So once people get to know, like, and trust you, especially when it comes towards ads, right? When it comes towards ads, they're gonna start to see who you are as a person, okay? And this is why it's so important, right? And this is great for affiliate marketers who want to get into this space, or even in the biz op niche, right? Like crypto and all that aspect, right? So this is where you need to be focused on. Build your invisible list through marketing, your ads, and you put your content, video, call to action. And from there, people are going to start opening your emails more effectively. Okay. Hope you guys get this, idea of what I'm literally sharing with you guys. Okay. If you guys want to get more free training, more ideas of what I'm doing, that's going to accelerate your, affiliate marketing or your business opportunity, feel free to shoot me a quick message on Facebook. Drop a line below this video too if you, want to know and learn more when it comes towards the strategies, effective strategies that I'm doing, that it's gonna literally help you guys out even further when it comes towards your affiliate marketing and the business opportunity space. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.